Hi, it's John. Have you been going through new awakenings? You've come off autopilot. You don't feel like you fit in your life anymore. You've been doing the hard work of purging and facing your shadows. You sometimes have ringing in your ears, and you're going through new experiences and experiencing new abilities. You feel like you've woken up, but everyone else is sleeping. You don't feel safe in relationships and family, friends, or work anymore. And you even feel like something's trying to communicate with you, and you're not sure what it is. Well, the good news is I'm a spiritual mentor and I can help you. I'm launching a new free online workshop. It's called The 3 Keys to Your Awakening. And in this workshop, we'll be addressing the first key of spiritual hygiene. It's all about energy, being intentional about what you consume, understanding the basics of protection, the tools and techniques that you can use. We'll be working through grounding practices, helping you understand how to keep your energy, your energetic body, your physical body clear and high vibration, and teaching you practices that'll help you feel empowered and strong and able to navigate this chaotic world each day. The second key that we'll be looking at is frequency and vibration. So we'll be teaching you all about this energy first universe and how the thoughts, feelings, are actions, and that they resonate out across this universe. And so as you're intentional about understanding your emotions and how low vibration emotions can attract negativity into your life, and how high vibration energies and emotions help you rise above this into your highest version of you. And in the third key, number 3, we'll be working on manifestation, helping you understand how to step into your dream life, how all these things of spiritual hygiene, vibration, and frequency help you put together the building blocks to really stepping forwards into your dream life. Those things you always wanted to do, all those passions that you've put aside for so long, and to allow you to embrace that. And finally, we'll also be working on a group guided energy clearing and healing. And what's beautiful about this is my speciality, and it'll leave you feeling clear and relaxed, empowered and energized, every atom, every cell in your body. And you'll be in a position after this workshop to really take on your dreams, your mission, your work, and your path. And so I look forward to seeing you at this free online workshop, the 3 Keys to Awakening. And I look forward to you clicking on the link in this video. And you'll see there in my video, there's links onto my website that take you into all the explanation about what the course, the workshop is and how it works. So I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to registering. And if this resonates with you, if you've made it all the way to 3 minutes and 20 seconds, this resonates with you and you feel like it would resonate with someone else you know, it's free. Please do share it with them. Get them to sign up. You've got nothing to lose, literally. And even better, if you can't make that date and time for some reason or something happens between now and then, don't worry. Once I have your details, I'll also be sending on the recorded version. So there'll be a recorded version of just me speaking and taking you through the material and the clearing. And believe you me, these replays are just as powerful, if not sometimes more powerful, because you're less distracted and you can watch it at any time. So I hope this finds you well. Please feel free to register for this event, and I look forward to hearing from you. Sending my love from Scotland.